Volkswagen has taken the wraps off the new ID.7 Tourer, an all-electric estate variant of the ID.7 sedan. As one of the first electric wagons in the midsize segment, the ID.7 Tourer combines zero emissions, driving with impressive practicality and long-range capability. With its elongated roofline and wagon-style rear, the ID.7 Tourer brings a fresh take on the traditional estate car shape. The smooth lines and muscular haunches give it a sporty edge, while the practicality benefits of the extra cargo space are plain to see. At launch, Volkswagen estimates the ID.7 Tourer will offer up to 685 kilometers or 426 miles of range on the WLTP cycle. Two battery options will be available: a smaller capacity pack, good for under 500 kilometers, and a larger 100-plus kilowatt-hour battery, providing the full 685 kilometers maximum range. Using 200 kilowatt DC fast charging, Volkswagen says drivers will be able to add 280 kilometers of range in just 30 minutes. On the inside, the ID.7 Tourer aims for a minimalist but upscale ambiance. One highlight is the AR head-up display that comes standard. By projecting key information like speed and navigation onto the windscreen, it allows for a cleaner, more futuristic dashboard design. The ID.7 also debuts Volkswagen's new Wellness in-car app, with settings to enhance the driving experience. With the rear seats up, cargo capacity is a generous 605 liters, on par with Volkswagen's conventionally powered Passat wagon. Fold the rear seats down, and you have a cavernous 1,714 liters of space for luggage or bulky items. Passenger space remains plentiful too, with generous proportions front and rear. Ride comfort has been a priority as well. Passive suspension tuning has been optimized, while features like ergo-active seats with ventilation, heating, and massage should reduce fatigue on long journeys. Acoustic glass, ample sound deadening, and an almost silent electric drivetrain all contribute to a peaceful cabin environment. As a flagship model, the ID.7 Tourer will come generously equipped. The AR HUD, heated and ventilated massaging front seats, panoramic sunroof with smart glass and wellness app will all be standard. Also included is Volkswagen's latest infotainment system with over-the-air update capability. Initially, the ID.7 Tourer will only be offered in rear-wheel drive configuration with a single electric motor mounted on the rear axle. But Volkswagen has indicated that an all-wheel drive dual-motor variant could join the lineup later, likely badged as a GTX model. Performance specifications remain unconfirmed, but output of around 300 horsepower would be likely for the rear-wheel drive model. Built on Volkswagen's dedicated MEB platform, the ID.7 Tourer promises to blend efficiency and practicality like few other electric vehicles can. As a spacious, luxurious, and long-range estate, it neatly fulfills the role of an electric alternative to conventional midsize wagons and SUVs. The production version, set to launch later this year, should find fans among environmentally conscious families and business users alike. With versatile EVs like the ID.7 Tourer and ID.Buzz coming on stream, Volkswagen appears poised to maintain its strong position in the electrification race. The ID.7 Tourer's combination of cutting-edge tech and prosaic practicality could prove a winning formula in the burgeoning electric wagon segment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.